Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to get the super 8mm look on Canva. So for that we need to make a video. So this is our design board. Now the first thing that we need to do is we have to make the background black, and after that we're going to go here to elements and frames. We're going to use this rectangle frame, and then we need to resize it. Let me just resize the frame. We're good to go now. Now we need to find a video from elements. Now there are a lot of premium ones, but if you don't have a premium, we can select a simple one. Now here you go, the video is added into the frame now. So now what do we have to do? Now we have to do one more thing with the frame. We have to click here and and then make corner rounding to 100. Okay. After doing that, what do we need to do? We need to go here to elements and write film overlay, and we have to put this on the entire video. Let's just resize it. Now the final thing that we need to do is we have to go here to transparency and reduce its transparency to 25 to 30, and we're good to go. So that's it. Here is your super 8mm film look. So this was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.